Have you ever been at a party and you see a guitar in the corner and you want to play it, but you just can't bring yourself to do it? And chances are this has nothing to do with your skills. I mean, take it from me. To the average person, just strumming a simple song like this is pretty much the same as doing something like this. You know, most people, they just want to hear a song that they know, and they don't really care how fast you can play some scale. Trust me, I've been there, and I know how frustrating it can be when you want to play that guitar in the corner and get everybody singing, but you're just worried that it's not going to happen. So today I'm going to share 5 really easy guitar songs that will not only make you sound like a seasoned player, like you know what you're doing, but they're also going to get your friends enjoying themselves, maybe even singing along. You know, these songs are simple, popular, and memorable, perfect for beginners, but also something that everybody should have in their repertoire. Real quick before we get started, if you haven't grabbed your copy of my free ebook, I'll put a link to that down below in the description. And if you enjoy learning guitar with me, subscribe to the channel, like the video, say hi in the comments. Now, you're welcome to skip ahead and check out these songs, but I really quickly want to go over why I chose these songs. You know, I chose these because they meet 3 important criteria. Number 1, simplicity. Every one of these songs uses basic open chords, common strumming patterns, and in a couple of cases, they'll have like a cool melody bit or a finger picking thing that's actually pretty easy for how impressive it looks. Number 2 is popularity. These are well-known songs. People love them. You're definitely going to get people into it, maybe even singing along. You know, you don't have to worry about like annoying people with your talent. You know, they're going to love it. Number 3, memorability. Not only are the songs memorable, but they're easy for you to remember the song. So you're not going to get stuck reading off of your phone screen and stopping halfway to like scroll. Okay, let me try that again. First up is Stand By Me by Ben E. King. This is a timeless classic with a simple chord progression, uses like G, E minor, C, and D, and the progression repeats throughout the entire song. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. You know, that's it. You just play that over and over again. And then when you get to the chorus, generally everybody knows the words, you know. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. For all of these tunes, I have full lessons if you want to dive deeper into each one and get, you know, the full-on step-by-step breakthrough. There's links below for every one of these. Anyways, song number 2, Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. And this is a song that everybody knows and loves. You can strum it with basic chords. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But I think this is one of the best basic songs for adding finger picking and getting started down that path. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? And finger picking can seem challenging at first. It is, but it's very rewarding once you get it down. And honestly, you can use any pattern you like, but for this one, I just use a simple ascending and descending thing where you just plant your thumb on the root of the chord, and then you go up, thumb, index, middle, and then you come down, ring, middle, index, and I just go up, which is ascending, and down, descending, up and down, 1 and a 2 and a. Goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Next up, we have Creep by Radiohead, and this song is iconic. Best part, it's just the same 4 chords over and over again. You're here before. Gonna look you in the just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. Wait a sec. B and C minor are bar chords, and those are definitely not easy beginner chords. But with a couple simple substitutions, instead of using B, using B7, which transitions really smoothly from G, and instead of C minor, using this chord right here, which we take a C chord and drag it up 3 frets, and just make sure that we're muting the outside strings. That gives us an easy C minor chord. So we get I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? And as always, you can pick it with your pick or your fingers and just play around. It's a great canvas for expression, and people just love the tune. Our 4th song, Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers, is another fantastic choice. It's more like a riff, and instead of using like open chords, it uses these really simple 3-note shapes and a pretty cool finger picking thing where you just use your thumb and then you pluck with 2 fingers at the same time. Sounds awesome on electric guitar. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's gone. She goes away. And this song is awesome for jamming too because it's in A minor, so somebody can play the chords and the other person can play the A minor pentatonic scale, which is like the first thing that most people teach when they're teaching/learning lead guitar. The only part of the song you got to be careful with is like the I know, because I know he goes on for like a minute during the recording. Maybe pare it down a bit, unless you got that Bill Withers voice, in which case, go for it. Finally, Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. This is a powerful song. It's going to leave an impression. It starts with an easy finger style intro, and I teach this in another lesson if you want to learn, for all this stuff, right? And then it uses basic chords like G, A minor, C, an easy version to F. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. The biggest thing to tackle are the timing things. At certain points in the song, they'll play an extra beat or something here or there. And I map that all out in my full lesson for it here on YouTube. There's a link for that down below, along with links to all the other songs covered here. Anyways, there you have it. Stand By Me, Creep, Hallelujah, Ain't No Sunshine, Sound of Silence. 5 easy songs that'll make you sound like a pro and impress your friends. Remember, practice is key. The more you play these songs, the more confident you'll become, and that makes the performance much better than any other thing. Confidence by just practicing and knowing that you can do it. Let me know in the comments which one of these songs is your favorite, or if you have any other easy songs that you love to play when you're in this situation. If you found this tutorial helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more lessons. Don't forget to grab your copy of my free ebook. There's a link down below. And if you want to fast track your guitar journey, premium membership is currently open. You can find out more about that down below. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.